You're making more money than you were 2 years ago. So why does it still feel like you're broke? That question is going to haunt you for the rest of this video. Because the answer is not what you think it is. Most people believe that financial security is a number, a salary, a milestone. Once I hit 6 figures, I'll be fine. But here's what nobody tells you. There are people earning $150,000 a year who are one car repair away from a crisis. And there are people earning $40,000 who sleep just fine at night. The difference has nothing to do with income. It has everything to do with habits. Stay with me. Because what I'm about to show you could change how you think about money. Let me describe your life right now. You get paid. You feel a small rush of relief. You pay your bills, maybe grab something you've been wanting, treat yourself a little. Because honestly, you deserve it. You've been working hard. Then, about 2 weeks later, you're watching your balance and quietly hoping nothing unexpected happens before your next paycheck. And something always does. The car, the dentist, the phone screen, something. And suddenly you're borrowing from next month to survive this month. Or putting it on the card and telling yourself you'll pay it off later. This is not a lazy person's story. This is the story of millions of hard-working people who were never taught how money actually works. You were taught how to earn it. Nobody taught you how to keep it. Here's the truth that most financial advice skips over. Financial security is not a salary, it's a state. It's the ability to cover your expenses and absorb unexpected costs. Maintain your life without sliding into debt every time something goes wrong. That's it. Income isn't even the main variable. When people earn more, they spend more. Almost automatically. You get a raise, so you move to a better apartment. Economists call this lifestyle inflation, and it is quietly the reason why so many high earners still feel broke. If you earn $10,000 and spend $10,000, you are still financially insecure. The number changed. The gap didn't. Security comes from keeping more. Keeping more is a habit, not an income level. So let's talk about practical moves. First, define what security looks like for you. Not for a finance influencer. For you. Get specific. Can you cover expenses without stress? Do you have a cushion? Write that down. Put it somewhere you'll see it. Second, build a friction gap. Spending is frictionless. Your card is in your pocket. One click and it's done. Make saving automatic. Set up a separate savings account at a different bank. Automate a transfer on payday, even if it's $50. The moment the money hits your account, a portion disappears into that account automatically. Third, get honest about lifestyle creep. Go through your last month of spending. Most people find 3 to 5 subscriptions they forgot. The goal isn't to deprive yourself. It's to make sure your spending reflects what you value, not just what was easy. Fourth, treat debt like the emergency that it is. High-interest debt is like paying for the privilege of spending money. Eliminate that first. Every dollar of high-interest debt you kill is like earning a guaranteed 20% return. Fifth, build your emergency fund. Without one, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. Your nervous system lives in panic. Start with 1 month of basic expenses. Put it in that separate account. That fund is the buffer between you and chaos. Financial insecurity isn't just a math problem. It's a psychological one. Stress literally reduces the mental bandwidth you have. The moment you start building even a small financial buffer, something shifts in your brain. You feel more in control. It starts a positive cycle. But someone has to start it. And that someone is you. With the next decision you make, your income is not your destiny. Your habits are. Pick one thing from this video, just one. Set up that transfer. Go through your spending. Make a plan. Financial security is built in decisions, one at a time. Your future self is watching what you do today. Make it count.